We left around 8 am on a cloudy rainy day, but nothing could stop our journey. Our first stop is Whispering Wall, a fascinating place. It's actually the dam of Barossa Reservoir, but what makes it unique is its incredible acoustics. You can stand at one end and speak in a normal voice, and someone at the other end, 140 meters away, will hear you perfectly as if you are right next to them. We stopped at Lyndoch Lavender Cafe, surrounded by beautiful lavender fields. It's a charming spot and the peaceful atmosphere draws you in.
සුදු සේල මිහිදුම් අහසින් නැගී නිල් ලෝකයේ එළිය නොපෙනී වෙලී සුදු සේල මිහිදුම් අහසින් නැගී නිල් ලෝකයේ එළිය නොපෙනී වෙලී මගේ
Lavender surrounds you at every corner of the cafe. There are so many varieties and the scent fills the air even on this rainy, windy day. Despite the weather, the lookout nearby offers a stunning view of the valley and the fields of purple below. It's a calm and creative space that feels like it's made for relaxing and enjoying the simple beauty of nature. You can easily spend hours here just taking in the peaceful serenity.
වැහිදිය මහා බිමතෙමුවට බිමතෙමන්නේ වැහි විතරද.
There's also a small shop at the cafe where you can find all kinds of lavender products. From essential oils to hand creams, everything is made from the lavender grown right here. It's a perfect place to pick up unique handmade souvenirs to take home.
රෑ අහසේ තරු තිබුණට තරු තියෙන්නේ රෑ විතරද. විහඟුන් කැල ගී ගැයුවට ගී කියන්නේ උන් විතරද. මට නුඹ විතරක් වුණාට නුඹට ඉන්නේ මං විතරද.
As we drove up, we passed fields of sheep grazing peacefully. The wind was strong here, but the sweeping views of the valley made it all worth it. On our way to the next destination, we drove along Seppelsfield Road, one of the most beautiful roads in South Australia. Lined with towering palm trees and surrounded by vineyards, it's a stunning drive that perfectly captures the charm of Barossa Valley. The road has a rich history, with Seppelsfield being home to one of the country's oldest wineries.
देखा तेनू पहली पहली बार वे होने लगा दिल बेकरार वे रब्बा मैनू की हो गया दिल जानिए मैं तेरा ही हो गया हो तेरे तेरे पिछे घूमे सोहणिया, जदों तेरे हथ चूमे सोहणिया, मिठा मिठा जी हो गया दिल जानिए, हाय मैनू की हो गया। मैं दिल तेरे कदमां च रखा ढोलना, मैं तेरे अगे अखियां ना चक्का ढोलना, जे तेरे ते रब विचों तकना पए ते फिर मैं तैनू ही तक्का ढोलना। तू जदों तेरी जुल्फां नू खोलिया, मेरे कोलों गया नहीं जे बोलिया, मेरी तू कमी हो गया दिल जानिए, ऐ मैनू की हो गया।